Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to the HTML and CSS basic tutorial series. In this video, I will teach you about how to style your website and how you can add styling. There are three ways to style your HTML file. Look, this is looking funny now. There is nothing style, there is nothing color. So how we can style that? So first learn the bad way. The bad way is to learn. Go to the first, that means beginning tag of your button, and before closing the beginning tag, that means before the greater than sign, you just need to write style, style. And style, for example, I want to make the color of the text. Just write color. Color, I want to make the color of the text is yellow or blue. Just write color and semicolon. You see there is solution to color the button. So I'm going to select blue, and you can write by yourself BLUE, blue, and semicolon. Save, refresh it. You see the button color, the text of button color is changed to blue. Before that it was white. If I just delete this, you can see this is black. Sorry, this is black. And press Ctrl Z and save. It will be blue once again. Every time you need to every time you change your HTML file or CSS file, you need to save and reload to see the result of final. Okay, this was the first way. And another way to style your website, go to the head tag. This is your head tag. Go to the head tag and write STYLE, style and tag. You see, this is the beginning tag and this is the ending tag. Okay, press tab to indentation. And I am to style my, this is button, I am to style my button. So how you can style your button? You just need to write BUTTON, button, and curly braces, enter. And you can style your button from here. I am to change the background color of my button. So you just need to write BACKGROUNT, background, and dash COLOR, background color. I am to make it green. Save and reload. It's green. You see, this is green. Press Ctrl and plus to zoom your button. Here you can see there is a border around your button. This green is your background color, and the border is your another element of your button. So I don't want this border. So how we can remove the border? You just need to write BORDER, border, and semicolon, colon, none. There will be no border if I reload this. You see, there is no border. There is a problem to write button like this, because there may be different button. Like, just copy this button and paste it below 3 times. Okay, click me, click this button. Okay, I want to make the color of button. The first one is green, second one is blue, and third one is red. But if I write like this button tag, it will be all of them will be same color, this green color. So how we can change a background color of an individual button? For that we need to write class. Class is a identity of something that we want to style or add the JavaScript. In later videos I will discuss more about class. Just for now, just write a class name, CLASS, class BTN, button on. This name, whatever you want to name it, you can name it. I want to just name it button on, and in middle button I want to name it button 2. Okay, this is button 2. I want individually change this button background color, this button on background color. For that, go to style tag and below the first button just make a full stop and write BTN1 and parenthesis. Okay. background color. Okay, and to make it blue violet. I guess my pronunciation is not correct because English is not my mother language. This is my second language. And let's see how it look in browser. You see in third button, this button is changed in background, but foreground is same because we style in our button here the same color. If I delete this, the button foreground color will be changed. That means the text color will be changed. I want to make it yellow color. So how we can make it? Just write color. Look carefully. The above one is background color and this is only color. When you write only color, that will change only the text color. Yellow, make it yellow. Okay, it's looking perfect to me. Okay, let's style the second button dot btn2. background color background color will be aqua. So let's see how it looks, and press Ctrl minus for decreasing your size of your window, or you can press reset. Okay, that's all for this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe. That's all.